Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn on this sign or know how you can do that on your BandLab app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile, and you just go above this sign settings here and up, click on it. So then you come to this list here, you click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to notifications list. Just have waiting to open with you. Usually it's going to take a time with you here, so you have just waiting to open video here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on collaborations here, and you come to this list, you come here to collaborations here, click on it, and it's going to show for you list like this. So you come here to a user invites me to collaborate on a project, clicking this sign here. So that like you see this color show for us, and can you turn on it for email too. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like